Welcome to the plumbing. We're going to do the cold water supply plumbing. We're not going to do hot water and we're not going to do the sanitary drain, but the cold water supply should give you sufficient knowledge of Revit to be able to work with those should you need to. So let's get started. Our first thing, of course, is to set up our plumbing view, and I'm going to do our plumbing plan, and I'm going to change the name to 1-plumbing CWR CWS, sorry, cold water supply. So I've got a cold water supply plan. I'm showing, just because I'm going to be doing some other work and bringing my water in over here, which we'll talk about later, I'm showing the entire east portion of the building as well as our lobby. This is going to be one plumbing unit for us to work with. And so I've got that. I'm at a 1/16 to 1 scale. Let's take a look at the visibility and graphics. What do you need to see? And really, I don't really need to see a lot of this stuff, but if you'll see what's off areas and things like that, I've turned off all of my ducting. I don't need ducts. I don't need electrical. I might need electrical in other applications, but not this one. I've turned off all the furniture and the generic models. Um, I, I even turned off the mechanical equipment. Often you do need water to run to those, but I'm not going to worry about that for what we're doing in this simple version of the design. Pipe, though, we need all these pipe things and plumbing fixtures. That's the main thing. Pipe and plumbing fixtures. And that's really about it. None of this other stuff shows up anyway. I've turned off site work. So that's what, and I do want my walls and windows. So that's what I'm going to see. So that's my visibility and graphics. I can turn on filters. I'm really going to only look at my cold water, domestic cold water. That's cold water supply. But you can leave them on for now because that's all we're gonna put in here. But you could turn things off so that they're not shown later on. That's your visibility and graphics. Gives you a nice clean layout. Let's look and see what our view range ought to be. Because we go up and down and under and all over the place with pipes, I generally ask you to set for unlimited top, unlimited bottom, and unlimited view depth. So there you go. That's your view setup for plumbing floor plans. Okay, let's just take a look really quick though. I'm gonna do, I wanna see what I've got for sub-discipline is plumbing, the discipline is mechanical. So there you go. Now I think you have all the information that you need.